Well, I got some things I gotta do to this. I gotta put a battery in. Oh, I left the wrench there. Battery was dead, and I'll show you what it does when I get the battery in. Well, it better start. Says that battery was good. We'll see. Fall over. Don't fall over. All right. See, I'll step on the brake and that's what it does, it turns to the left. So I gotta adjust the brakes. You don't gotta take it all apart, but take the wheel off, I believe. And I'll show you. Oop, don't worry about grinding them, it's fine. Who loves that? I had to put this other wheel on because I'm getting that one, the factory one fixed. right about there. There's brake tool, adjuster tool. Where is it? Right there. Somewhere in here. Oh, it's go this way. I can't see. I thought it was right here. That's right. There we go. Oh, I saw it now. It's son of a... Okay. Come on. Okay. That should be getting close. I had it a little more. We'll give it a little more, just because. Click, 2 clicks more. Put that shit back in there, that plug. The hell? Oh, piece of shit. Okay, try that again and see if it does the same thing. It probably won't. Yeah, right. My luck. I guess. Get it. Oh, see that? Well, I pulled the plug out. We'll see if I can adjust it through here. Yeah. That plug back in there. That was pretty simple. Let's see. I wasn't sure if I could do that or not. This damn thing. Huh? What the hell with that? I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell's going on with this thing. Oh man, I can't. Why is it not? Piece of shit. Yeah, huh? Yep, bastard. My jack is taking it. You know, it's being a piece of shit after all these years. It's worn. It's getting worn out. Can you get it from here? Fuck no. Oh, come on. It's a good hammer. Good hammer. Uh-huh. Come on. Come on. What the hell here? Spinning on there. Yeah, huh? Perfect. Oh, there we go. It didn't want to work. I'm gonna have to do something about that. That's bullshit. Yep. Well, that's just the way it is. So, for now. Okay. should be able just to back out and try it, I hope. I'll be driving around. Oh yeah. That's working now. Bastard. No power steering. I need some of that. Perfect. They're shore fishing. Shore fishing. Or something. Or just standing at the end of the dock, I guess. Perfect, no pull. And that's how you adjust your drum brakes on a 68 Chevy 3/4 ton if one's pulling to one side. It's fine. Look at that, I don't have any gas in it.